going on, y'all? Welcome back to my world. It's World Pass here with another reaction for you guys. Today we are going to be getting right back into Reincarnated as a Slime. I saw y'all really mess with the last episode heavy, and again I want to reiterate, I'm not doing every episode reaction wise. Like, I'm not reacting to every episode and putting it on here when it comes to my bench for Reincarnated as a Slime, but I am doing the ones that I see have gotten the most, like, maybe been the most talked about, just so I know which ones you guys would probably want to see. So back with episode 8. I mean, I kind of want to see this one. I heard this one was or I kind of looked up on it, and this was a pretty well received episode too, because it does connect to last episode, and we might see what exactly happens to Shizue in this episode, given what happened in the last one. And you know, I'm not going to talk too much, I'm not going to yap too much, but I just wanted y'all to know, yeah, I have certain episodes I want to react to. This is one of them. And then we're just going to continue forward so we can eventually catch up to season 3, which just ended, which I was trying to catch up to do that one continuously, but when we catch up, we'll catch up, so don't have to rush anymore. Either way, we're here, season 1, episode 8. Let's see what happens in this episode of That Time I Got Reincarnated as a Slime, season 1. Okay, straight to it. Shizu's okay after the whole situation. Nearly, yeah, she really nearly wiped out a whole village. Or it wasn't really her though, it was EP8. Felt that. I remember, yep, I remember. Crazy. Demon Lord, she served the Demon Lord. Okay, so blonde guy is a Demon Lord. The hero. Oh, this is kind of cool. Damn. Bro, she didn't even get touched. She gave up just like that? It could have been, though. Hero. Oh, that's kind of cool. So she does have ties to the hero. But it cracked. Where's she at then? Or left? Disappeared is crazy. Left her alone? For what reason? She said that? Hey, I mean, she expects to meet her again, but yeah, you don't have to get questioned. Like, yo, why'd you leave me? Which is what happened here. Wait, he's not a kid though. Oh, that's why she recognized it. Okay. That's kind of cool though. Are you? The Demon Lord, right? Or did she just get summoned there? She just want answers, maybe? Izawa Shizue. Yeah, she's spending a lot of time yapping. That's kind of fire. That's why he was fated to meet with her. Oh my gosh, this music's hitting. Bro, she really on death's door, knocking on, like, bro, I gotta, wow. Is it just the fact that it's such a, oh wow. We see the blue hair in the opening. Aww. Dang. Back in her original world. Dang. Oh. Okay, she's naked. That's crazy. How'd they figure it out? Because of the blue hair? Oh, the crying. That's tough. That's kind of cool, though. They fused. I guess he's using her corpse, but... That's cool as heck. What the heck? Oh, man. I guess whenever they don't feel like animating it, conveniently turn him back into a slime. That's funny. Mm-hmm. That's fire. Good looks, bro. Nice. So now he got E3 and a whole dragon inside of him. That's gotta be foreshadowing for something later. Ah, that's fire. Bro, Rimu look cool like this though. I like it. Oh, that's real. Damn. That's so real. That's nice. Those are great gifts. Hold on, y'all. I'm looking up the next episode I gotta react to. Next episodes. Fire! Give Shizue a little outro. Remember fit it up. Okay. Just need to gather information. Good move. Now it's time to look for that demon lord. A little foreshadowing. Alright. Just a hog. A boar. But I mean, he on death's door. All you can say is yes unless you want to die. This man out here parading the desert to help people desperate. Geld. What? That's the force they're in. Yo, why is he evil though? Very, very important episode. I would see this as the true beginning of the series, simply because yeah, he had his fate with Shizue, and we figured out her backstory. We figured out that she was dying, and I guess she started dying after Ifrit was removed, because Ifrit was the only thing that was keeping her body alive, I guess. And she was housing Ifrit for so long, maybe her body was just you know, after he left, it was just like, like, kind of like a Jinchuriki. But yeah, I really liked the how powerful the story became in this episode, how meaningful it became for both Rimuru's character and Shizu's character, and how both their fates intertwined in this certain way. Because he was the only one that could really give her a proper burial, because she did not want to be housed in that world which she hated. She didn't say she hated it, she just didn't like the world. And you know, Rimuru gave her, because they became acquainted, Rimuru was like, you know, I wish her nothing but the sweetest of dreams forever, you know, and she definitely dreamt about just going back home to where she came from. And her dream was initially to just make sure all of her kids were able to go back to where they came from, because she has the school of people who were also reincarnated in that world. So they also ended up leaving her. Her master ended up leaving her. So we're probably gonna get a lot of little tidbits of Shizu's story coming back into the story. Like we're probably gonna meet her master again, even though it's not gonna be Shizu. We know that now with Rimuru taking over her body. And she's probably gonna meet, or Rimuru's probably gonna meet her older students, whether it's in combat or in some sort of way. We're gonna see all these characters down the line for sure, especially if they laid it out this early. And you know, especially if he has her body still. So a lot of people that she once had connections to are gonna mistake Rimuru for Shizu, and Rimuru's probably gonna be like, no, she's gone, but you know, I'm here to carry on her will, kind of thing. So I like it. I like this story so far. It definitely has another layer to it that it makes it more interesting now, with the whole Shizu thing being involved, and with them being intertwined with fate. And I'm excited to see more happen. You know, obviously we got that little tidbit at the end, which is still mysterious. But now Rimuru is going to be looking and searching for the Demon Lord to carry on Shizu's will. I see season 1 ending with that, kind of, unless it becomes more prolonged and they get more sidetracked. But yeah, I'm only going to react to maybe a few more episodes of season 1. I see episode 13, episode 14, and then episode 24. I think those are the only ones I'm looking to react to off of season 1 left. So, y'all, I'll keep y'all updated. We'll keep reacting to it. We'll keep watching it. I will binge the episodes on my off time. And honestly, the longest thing it'll take for me is probably just to react to the episodes I need to react to, just because I got to edit them, blah, blah, blah. But binging it is going to be no problem. So I'm excited. I'm also excited to react to Jarrell when we get to season 2, episode 10, I believe he told me he wanted to react to. But other than that, hope y'all enjoyed the reaction. Make sure I remember to drink enough water, eat enough, get enough rest, take care of personal hygiene. Cannot be the best version of ourselves, but our positive energy throughout the world. First, taking care of ourselves. This has been World Pass, and I'm a peace out.